Okay, this is video 2 of 2 unboxing. This is going to be in a horrible way because I have nothing to put my camera on. So let's go. Like, I already know what this is, so it's not really a big deal. Let me put you guys down right here while I open this up. Oh, like that. Alright. And if you guys can see what this is, it's the Apple Watch. Yeah. Where's the scissors? I just had. What the freak? I have no idea where it went. Okay, never mind. I think I got it, yeah. Alright. Sorry about the horrible camera angle. I need to get a tripod or something. Boom. Here's the inside. Nothing to it. Oh yeah. Here is the specs. Sports band, 42 millimeter. What you get in the box is the actual watch itself. Got a side. Okay, let's put that. Let's go into the accessories first. We got the. We got the. What do you call it? The charger, the standard Apple charger. Nothing special. Got plenty of these. This one doesn't have a green dot. Interesting. And the highly talked about MagSafe charger. Oh, wow, it's right here. Okay, this one is plastic, unlike the other watch face. What the hell does this come out? Oh, that was easy. Okay, let's take off the plastic. So see, this is where you charge it, and this is the back. So it's all ceramic. I mean plastic. Unlike the other one, I think the other one's ceramic or glass. I mean not glass, metal. Is that it? Oh, there's one up here. Fail. Alright. Boom. Let's put that aside. That side. Alright, let's see what comes in this. Alright, sorry about that. Cut off Apple Watch. How to use it, how to put it on. And warranty info. Hold up. God, this is so bad. I like to film everything, so my videos are pretty long. Okay. Alright, got that in. And the second band. Wow, feels pretty good. Alright, let's keep that in here. And put this back. Oh, put this back inside. And the moment I've been waiting for. The Apple Watch unboxing. So obviously pull tab. I don't know why people didn't see that, but whatever. Okay, here's the case for it. Let's see if I can open it up. Ooh, nice felt material on the inside. There's the watch. Wow. Oh, pretty heavy. Alright, let me put you guys down here again. Oh, and the back shows how you put on the watch. Okay. Wow. Feels pretty good in the hand. Let's see how it looks like in here. Oh, you put... Okay, hold up. I forgot how you put this on. This is what I thought would happen. Okay. Let me put it on like this first. I think this might fit me. No. Okay. How about the second one? Dude, I can't. It's too hard to put it on. What the heck? Gee. After fiddling around with it, I got it close enough, but it's not really tight. Whatever. It's okay. I mean, it's really good, but it's okay. Are you stupid? It's badass. But putting it on was kind of a hassle. Let's boot it up. There we go. I'm filming on the iPad because my other camera ran out of battery. Let me go get my phone real quick. Wow. Looks pretty sharp. Okay. That's pretty cool. Once I get this set up, I'm gonna take off the band and show you around the watch. Wow, the buttons are pretty smooth. Solid. Okay. Let me take out this. I'm gonna put the trash somewhere else. It's still booting up. I'm pretty sure it's gonna take a while for it to fully get ready. Oh I found my scissors. Okay, so it's still booting up. Hold on real quick. Put that aside. Oh, here we go. It stopped booting up. Okay, let's put that back here. Alright, so it says English. Here, how about I do this? I'll stop the video and come back. Alright, so when let me focus. When it comes up, these are the options. So select a language, use the touch wheel, or wow, it's pretty fluid. Alright, let me bring up my app, my watch. I did not watch my cell phone, Apple Watch. Start pairing. Let me turn on Bluetooth. Okay, so this comes up, the digital IR code, and that. So let me do this. Try to do this. Okay, it matched. Your Apple Watch has paired. That's what it looks like. Set up Apple Watch. On which wrist do you wear your watch? Left. Oh, crap. And it says the info on it. 7000 series aluminum, Ion X glass. I agree. Enter password. Oh, Apple ID, okay. Alright, I'm going to show you only this part of the screen. The screen feels so smooth. Alright, location service, okay. What is this? Siri, okay. Diagnostics, sure. Create Apple Watch. Sure. Oh, and it pops up on the watch. Let me put this down. Okay. Do you want to unlock your Apple Watch with your phone? No. Install all. Alright, so Apple Watch is syncing right there, and there's the dial. It's probably going to take a while. I'm going to take off the watch and show you around. So here's the back. There's a button right here. Hold on. How do you... I'm going to have to wait a while. What the hell? Oh, okay. And restart setup? No. Oh, I pressed the power button. Alright. Okay, that's what it looks like. Pretty cool. Alright. Okay, cool. There, click done. Alright. I'm gonna come back once this is done, so I'll skip ahead. Oh, I'm back. Took like 10 minutes. It's almost done. So we're gonna start right here. 2 bars left. Come on. Yeah, so I almost hit it against the wall. 20 seconds ago. Because I like to run around the house. I don't like to just walk because I'm impatient. I know that's pretty bad. I think it's done. No, one more. Come on. So close to being done. Done. Alright, so this is what it says on the phone. Clash of Clans. So, your Apple Watch is almost ready. I think it's just last minute booting up, so I'm going to put that right there. Okay. My issue is the battery life with the Bluetooth on. That's my only issue. It feels kind of weird, but I'll get used to it. I like the band feeling. It's really good. Oh, it made a taptic sound. And there's the watch. So, can I zoom out? No. How do I... Okay. What weather? Calendar. Alright, I gotta learn this stuff, so... okay, so you see Amazon delivered. Whoa, that's weird. Alright, I'll get used to it. I'll have a full review up on Monday, next Monday, maybe even Tuesday, just to get a feel for it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.